Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to import a Clo3D animation into Unreal Engine 5.6 using Mixamo. First things first, make sure you've installed Unreal Engine 5.6 and that all the necessary MetaHuman components are set up. After that, go ahead and install the CLO LiveSync plugin. You can grab it directly from fab.com. Once you've got it installed, just create your project and turn on all the required plugins. And restart. Organize your folders however you like in the object browser. Personally, I always create a separate folder to keep my assets organized. Inside the object browser, right-click, navigate to MetaHuman and choose MetaHuman Character. Give a name and open your MetaHuman character. I choose Sandrine. I will let you create your own MetaHuman, but you are welcome to follow along. Once you're done, you need to create a full rig, then click on Assemble. Now, on the Mixamo website, go ahead and upload the FBX file of Quinn. At this point, choose any animation you like. For this tutorial, I'm using the walk animation. I also selected the In Place option and adjusted the walking speed. Once you're happy with your selection, you can download the FBX file using the same settings I'm using. Now that it's ready, head back to Unreal Engine and upload the FBX file you just got from Mixamo. After the file is imported, make sure you know the exact name of your MetaHuman skeletal mesh asset. Next, right-click on the animation you just imported and select Retarget Animation. In the Target section, click on None and select for the name of your MetaHuman skeletal mesh asset. Select your animation, then click on Export Animation and save. Add your MetaHuman to the scene. It's very important to reset your MetaHuman's location to 0. Now, create a level sequence. Add a camera to the scene and make sure to position it properly. Drag both your camera and your MetaHuman into the sequence. Delete the MetaHuman control rig. Next, click on the little plus icon to add an animation track. Then click on the animation track again and select the animation you created through retargeting. If you want to make some adjustments to the animation, you need to bake to control rig by right-clicking on the body. Important: make sure to uncheck Filter Asset by Skeleton, then select MetaHuman Control Rig. This would allow you to make any adjustments you want. But I'm happy with this animation, so I won't change anything. Now that it's done, right-click on your MetaHuman and export. Don't forget to follow the same export settings I'm using, and save. All right, open up Clo3D and import the FBX file you just made. Now you can create any garment you want. In my case, I just imported a garment I'd already made. Make sure your UV maps are properly organized as well. You can now start animating your garment with your avatar. Once the garment animation simulation is complete, you can go ahead and save your project. Let's go back to Unreal Engine and switch to Clo3D MD LiveSync mode. Click on Update. And let the magic happen. After your garment is imported into Unreal Engine, make sure to check its location in your folder structure. In the level sequencer, next to your garment, click on the plus icon. Then select Geometry Cache to bring the animation onto your garment. Et voila! Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or feedback. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.